In this video, you will learn how to select the right keywords for your first Amazon advertising campaign and how to create effective PPC campaigns using advanced keyword research and filtering methods. For this, we'll be using data dive tools. If you want to try data dive for yourself, you'll find the link, sign up link in the video description, as well as a 20% coupon code, which is Orange Klik, and you will get 20% discount. So check this out.
Launching an Amazon PPC campaign without ensuring your product is retail ready is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Inefficient, wasteful, and unlikely to deliver the results you want. Before you even think about running ads, your listing needs to be fully optimized with high-quality images, compelling copy, and strong reviews to maximize conversions. But that's just the first step. Choosing the right keywords is what truly determines the success of your PPC campaigns. Targeting the wrong ones can burn through your budget, while the right ones can boost your visibility, drive sales, and improve your ad efficiency. That's where DataDive's new PPC keywords tool comes in. It takes the guesswork out of keyword research, helping you identify the most relevant, high-converting keywords to kick off your campaigns the right way. Hey everyone, I'm Nikki from Orange Klik, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find the best PPC keywords for your Amazon product using DataDive. But that's not all. Stick around until the end because we will also reveal post-launch PPC pro tips to help you refine your campaigns, cut wasted ad spend, and double down on the keywords that actually convert. Let's get started. For the Amazon PPC launch strategy for your first product, the step 1 is setting up your initial PPC campaigns. For your first product launch, the main goal is to gain visibility, gather data, and optimize based on actual performance. Here's how to set up your PPC campaigns. The campaign type is manual exact match. To get started, we'll use DataDive's PPC keywords tool to help us choose the best keywords for your campaign. Here's the step-by-step process. For the keyword research, start by typing the main seed keyword beginner's crochet kit into the Amazon search bar. From there, identify competitors offering similar products, especially a pack of 1 or 2 animal crochet patterns for beginners. Focus on choosing top competitors based on their revenue. Make sure you're selecting similar products, like for like, so you capture the right target market and find the most relevant keywords to help you rank higher in your niche. Second is to select competitor ASINs. After identifying relevant products, select around 15 ASINs of top competitors. Then click the dive box to initiate the session. This will bring up the master keyword list powered by Jungle Scout, which pulls the most relevant keywords from the top 15 competitors in your niche. As with the keyword list, there will be some branded terms included. To quickly clean up the list, click the blue button and type in the brand name, for example, Wobble. This will help you remove any keywords containing that brand, including misspellings. Once that's done, you'll have a clean, relevant list of keywords to use. Now, you can import the clean master keyword lists into the PPC keywords tool for your niche. From here, you'll be able to see suggested bids, impressions, and ranking data. Select around 20 highly relevant keywords for your campaign. Make sure to include both high search volume, broadly searched terms with more competition, for example, beginner crochet kit, and with low search volume, long tail, more specific phrases with lower competition, like beginner crochet kit for adults. When selecting keywords, ensure they best describe your product. For instance, if your kit is designed for adults, avoid including keywords related to kids. Or if your kit features animals, include animal-related keywords with significant search volume. Once your DataDive account is connected to your Amazon seller account, you'll have access to more data like impressions share and impression rank. You'll also see suggested bids for exact, phrase, and broad match types, and can easily select which keywords to include in each match type. This streamlines your process, allowing you to quickly assign keywords to the right match type without needing to manually copy and paste anything. Now, when you're ready to create your campaigns, DataDive's PPC campaign tool will automatically set them up for you based on the keywords you've selected. All keywords will auto-populate in their normalized root form. To finalize, add your SKU and campaign name. It's helpful to name your campaign based on how the keyword list was obtained, like from the keyword master list, competitor async. Limit your keywords per campaign to around 20, and for your daily campaign budget, you can start as low as $10, but a more competitive range would be $50 or $100 depending on the niche and competition. As for the bids, start with competitive bids. Amazon provides suggested bid ranges, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for the middle to high end of that range. Example selection for a beginner crochet kit is for high search volume, we can select beginner crochet kit for beginners, beginner crochet kit for adults, crochet kit for beginners for adults. An example for a low search volume could be a cute crochet kit, easy crochet kit for beginners, and beginning crochet kit for adults. This combination of high and low search volume keywords will help maximize your impressions and clicks while balancing competition and costs. Now, step 2 is driving off Amazon traffic for an extra boost. If your product doesn't have a strong unique selling point that sets it apart immediately, relying solely on Amazon PPC may not be enough. To drive external traffic and increase conversions, use Creative Connection and Levanta. These are agencies that specialize in driving external traffic to Amazon listings. Second is influencers and content creators. Partner with creators who can review or demonstrate your crochet kit to an engaged audience. Third is social media and paid ads. Run Meta, Facebook or Instagram, TikTok or Google ads targeting your ideal customer. An example promotion for beginner crochet kit would be to work with a TikTok influencer known for DIY and crafting to create an unboxing and first-time crochet experience. You can also run Facebook ads targeting hobbyists or people searching for creative gift ideas, leading them to a blog post about the best crochet kits, including yours, with a call to action to buy on Amazon. This extra traffic improves listing engagement, boosts conversion, and strengthens your PPC campaigns. Step 3 is to analyzing PPC data after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, analyze your PPC campaign data to make strategic optimizations. Key metrics to monitor are click-to-sales ratio, how many clicks per sale. For example, 20 clicks per sale is 5% conversion rate. Another metric is ACoS or advertising cost of sales. Are you spending profitably? For example, if your kit sells for $30 and if you spend $9 per sale, your ACoS is 30%. The keyword performance is a next metric which will you ask yourself which keywords are converting well versus which are draining your budget. An example analysis could be crochet kit for beginners. It could have 50 clicks, 5 sales, which is only 10% conversion. So you will have to keep running this keyword in the PPC campaign. Another example is a cute crochet kit. If it has 30 clicks but no sales, you can either pause or lower the bid for this keyword. Another is easy crochet kit for beginners. If it has 40 clicks but only 3 sales, you can optimize listings to improve conversion. The next steps could be to increase bids on high-performing keywords and reduce or pause underperforming ones to maximize ad efficiency. This structured approach ensures a strong, data-driven launch for your beginner crochet kit on Amazon. As for the keyword optimization strategy, which means harvesting winners and cutting waste with DataDive's PPC keyword tool and rank radar. After running your PPC campaigns for about 2 weeks, you should have enough data to determine which keywords are driving sales and which ones are draining your budget. Instead of manually analyzing performance reports, DataDive's PPC keywords tool and rank radar provides powerful insights to help you optimize your campaigns efficiently and track ranking improvements in real time. Step 1 is to define your key performance metrics. Before making any changes, establish clear benchmarks for what qualifies as a high-performing versus underperforming keyword. Here are some metrics to analyze. First one is CVR or conversion rate, how many percentage of clicks that turn into sales. Second is click-through rate or CTR. A high CTR means your ad is relevant to shoppers. Next is advertising cost of sales or ACoS. The lower the ACoS, the more profitable the keyword is. Next is the clicks per sale or click-to-sales ratio. How many clicks are needed to generate a sale? And the last one is impressions. Indicate how often your ad is being seen. Example benchmarks would be a high-performing keyword, 8% plus conversion rate, and below target ACOS. For example, less than 40% for an aggressive launch. And for the underperforming keywords, the benchmark could be 50 plus clicks with no sales or ACOS above profitability threshold. For step 2, harvest high-performing keywords and scale. If a keyword is profitable and converting well, increase your bid or move it to a separate campaign for more control. Criteria for scaling up a keyword could be if it has at least 2 to 3 sales and ACOS is within your acceptable range. High conversion rate, for example, above 8%. What are the actions to take? Increase the bid by 10 to 20% to gain more impressions and traffic. Move top converting keywords into a separate exact match campaign to allocate more budget efficiently. If a keyword is doing well in exact match, add it to phrase match for expansion. How does Data Dive help? For PPC Keywords tool, it identifies top performing keywords in seconds. As it is already integrated with your Amazon Seller Central account, all the performing keywords will have real-time movement and you'll be able to see it right away through PPC Keywords tool. As for the rank radar, it confirms if scaling the bid leads to better organic ranking, so you know if your PPC spend is helping long-term. For step 3, reduce bids on underperforming keywords. Some keywords show potential but aren't profitable yet. Instead of pausing them immediately, test if they can work with a lower bid. The criteria for bid reduction would be if the keyword has at least 30 to 40 clicks but few or no sales, ACOS is higher than your target but still shows some conversions, a low CTR below 0.3%. It might indicate weak ad copy or irrelevance if that's the case. What are the actions to take? For this one, you can reduce the bid by 20 to 30% to test if it can perform profitably at lower costs. If its CTR is low or click-through rate is low, check your listing's title, images, and bullet points for relevance. Keep monitoring for another week before deciding to pause. An example keyword could be a beginner's crochet kit. If it has 45 clicks and 3 sales, the conversion rate is 6.67%. So the ACOS is 85%, which is too high. So the action here is to reduce bid by 25% and monitor for another week. How does Data Dive helps in this step? With PPC Keywords tool, it instantly identifies high-cost, low-converting keywords, allowing you to reduce bids before they drain your budget. As for Rank Radar, it tracks if lowering bids affects ranking, ensuring you maintain visibility while saving ad spend. Next is step 4. Pause keywords that burn budget without results. Some keywords just won't work for your product. Instead of wasting ad spend, it's best to pause them and reallocate your budget. So for the criteria for pausing a keyword, if a keyword has at least 50 plus clicks and 0 sales with very high ACOS over 100% and irrelevant clicks, it's like people searching for something else. So what are the actions to take here? Pause completely to prevent wasted ad spend. Check if the keyword was too broad, for example, crochet kit. So it might be too generic and too broad for your product. And if you still want to test it, try adding it back later with a low bid. An example keyword could be a cute crochet kit. If it has 65 clicks with 0 sales and you spent already $40 with no returns, the action is to pause immediately and stop bidding on it. How you will be able to find these keywords is through Data Dive. With PPC Keywords tool, it flags non-converting keywords so you can cut them early. With Rank Radar, it checks if pausing a keyword causes ranking drops, helping you decide if it's worth keeping. Now, for step 5, expand and optimize for long-term growth. Once you've refined your campaign by scaling winners and cutting waste, the next step is to expand your keyword pool strategically. Use Data Dive's PPC Keywords tool to identify new high-potential keywords, test broad and phrase match campaigns, discover new keyword opportunities, and leverage external traffic. Keep driving influencer or social media traffic to improve conversions. So our final takeaway here is, instead of spending hours manually analyzing PPC reports, Data Dive's PPC Keywords tool and Rank Radar provide instant insights into keyword performance and ad spend efficiency, and organic ranking impact. This data-driven approach will save you time, money, and frustration, allowing you to focus on growing your Amazon business efficiently. Even if your initial sales don't immediately boost your organic ranking, sales still drive momentum. The more you sell, the stronger your listing's performance, leading to better future ranking opportunities. Data-driven optimizations will help you improve your ACOS, pump up sales velocity, and create a sustainable, profitable PPC strategy. Now it's time to put this into action and scale your PPC campaigns for success. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to find high-converting PPC keywords to launch your campaigns the right way and fine-tune them post-launch for better results and lower ad spend. If you haven't explored Data Dive yet, now's the perfect time. This powerful tool helps you uncover the best performing keywords to drive sales and improve your ad efficiency. Ready to optimize your PPC like a pro? Start using Data Dive's PPC Keywords tool and Rank Radar today to take control of your advertising success. Don't miss out. Use our exclusive coupon code OrangeClick to get 20% off your monthly subscription and start optimizing your PPC campaigns today. If you found this video helpful, type helpful in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to OrangeClick for more Data Dive updates and expert Amazon seller strategies. I'm Nikki from OrangeClick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I hope this video will help you to find the right keywords for your first Amazon advertising campaign. And if you're interested in what Data Dive does and how it works, check the link in the video description, as well as you will find an OrangeClick coupon code, which will give you 20% off your monthly subscription. And if you enjoy the content we create, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. And if you have additional comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to optimize your PPC using a complete Data Dive workflow. So check this out.